about the Baina Beach taking up for
ते वास्को पहिले बायणा बीच हा तिका आखे वास्कोचे नाव बिडाताले पहिले रेलेड एरियाले तेन्ना परिकर बाबा आमी हांवें ताका ते देव बरें करूं पण ना पूण बायणा बीच वॉज जनरेटिंग रेवेन्यू टू वास्कोवायट्स बायणा लोकां वास्को लोकां बिजनसमॅन बायणा रेलेड एरिया काडली तेन्ना देवर नो आतां गॅप बिजनस अरेंजमेंट फिलींग तो आतां लास्ट 3 वर्सां जाल्यार हांव चोयता बायणा बीचार लोक येता ट्युरिस्ट लास्ट सीजन 4,000 मायल टुरिस्ट येयले फॉर स्विमींग फॉर वॉटर स्पोर्ट एक्टिविटी सो I proposal guideline to the government that blue flag certificate should be done in a systematic manner. And I think it will happen. Until Zalea, Vasco will prosper, Vasco businessmen will prosper, we all will prosper.
But fishermen and other anchor take care, they will take care of fisher.
See, the blue flag certification, they have got now one beach is, I think in Tamil Nadu, ek beach Zalea. You know, Nustekar Sole, I think. See, people want to, who have doubts can go there, visit and come back.
No, because usually, sir, in Goa, if you see any place where there is blue flag certification, the GRE, the fisherman body, all of them start opposing the moment the word blue flag comes. So you think you will face an opposition?
See, initially blue flag opposition was there when in Panjim Miramar. Why it was there? Because they were not guided properly. After now there are more. There is a beach that is certified. So anybody want, they can go and visit the beach. And Vasco is the last stop for Vasco. I'm lucky. We have got a port. We have got the railway, airport. Airport. Only three things we have got Vasco. So this is the best point for businessmen.
Somewhere this blue flag certification will take Baina Beach to the world map. That is what you are trying to say.
See, a blue flag certificate is not easy to get. You have to. They're very strict norms. So we can't interfere. That will be done by professionals. So why are pressing for that? Vasco will prosper. I Vasco business ना तुम चल Vasco I दोनों जाता वसर चाव पीता Vasco इधर जा होटलन